Hey people, how are you? Today our lesson is how to download bar chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Now you see this our Google Sheets is opened and here the chart table. Now I want to create the chart. At first select the data of this chart. Click and drag on our mouse. Then we go to the insert menu and we can see here the chart option. Now I'm click this. And you can see here many option to inserting the chart. Now I'm click the chart type drop down menu and we can see here many chart. Now I see the bar chart or the stacked bar chart and the 100% stacked bar chart. Now I am select the single bar chart. Otherwise you can customize the bar chart. Go to the customization option and select the chart style. You can change the style or you can add grid line, tricks or axis, etc. Now I'm close the window. Now I download the chart. Click the more icon and here the download option. You can download the chart as a PDF, PNG or the SVG option. Now I want to download the PDF option. Then click this PDF. Now we can see here the chart. Now I am drag on the other tab and we can see here the bar chart. Now we show the bar chart. I hope you understand this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.